wabarakatuh. My name is Reza Amelia. I am from class PBE 4E. Research step qualitative methods will discuss several steps of qualitative methods. The step begin with problem identification, followed by a literature review, clarity of purpose research, data collection, observation, sample interview, ethical issues, and data analysis. Troubleshooting. Research always starts with identifying the problem to be researched. See what the problem is. What are the things needed to solve the problem. There are some examples of questions such as, why is this problem important to be target study? Other factors that must be considered by research are learn more about the view of the subject to be researched. Topic to choose should be relevant to the current situation or problem work and interesting for research, such as in the health sector. For example, COVID has not yet found an efficacious drug to cure it, and much more in the field of agriculture, politics, and culture that can be researched. Literature review. Material that written in the form of book, journal that discuss topic to be researched. Literature review help research to view ideas, opinion, and criticism on the topic. Qualitative methods assume that humans are always in the process of becoming and developing. Theory in the qualitative tradition means looking for ideas. Ideas or opinion written by experts in book, journal, and other. Research. Research objective. The main purpose of qualitative research is to find out meaning in an event, symptom, fake event, reality. Therefore, in the qualitative method, it is not hypothesis used, because the hypothesis usually tests with statistics. The theory in the qualitative method is not test, but collect ideas conveyed by participants, through interview, and then look for themes or patterns that then build an idea or new talks. Data collection. Research data can be in the form of text, photos, numbers, stories, pictures. Data is collected if the direction and research objective are clear and also if the data source information has been identified. Who are the participants? First, participants are those who certainly have information required. Second, those who have the ability to tell is the experience. Third, who is really involved with symptom, event, and experience in the first step. 4. Be ready to participate in the interview. 5. They are not under pressure. So the main requirement is to be credible and rich of the required information or information rich. Observation. Observation is part of data collection. Observation means collecting data directly from the file in qualitative. Data will not be obtained behind the desk, but have to jump into the file. The observed data can be in the form of a description of attitudes, behavior, action, or human interaction. Research who come to be research style must avoid the arranged attitude that show they don't know everything. Sample. Sample for qualitative methods are appropriate with the aim and objective of the research. Sample with the large quantity will have no meaning if it's not of quality of the information is not credible. The sample must also convert to text. So the main requirement is credible and information rich. Interview. Interviews were conducted to obtain information which cannot to obtain through observation or questionnaire. Not all data can be obtained with observation, therefore, research must apply questions to participants. As question research enter into the realm of thinking other. Interview research not only asks questions, but to gain an understanding of the people's life experience. Data analysis qualitative methods convert data into findings. It really depends on the expertise, insight, training, and research capabilities. Another trait of this method is it is holistic. Research using this method, you want to understand a phenomenon in the style, including interpreting the human, social environment, or external organization that influence. Interpretation. Interpretation means the development of ideas based on research findings and relate them to exciting theories there is. Interpretation is carried out after the information is available, it is complete and clear. Interpretation also means seeking and discovering new things, unique or significant. There are several purposes of types of interpretation. Writing research. Purposes of research results are usually divided into several group parts. The first part is the title. Title is always placed the front. Titles are usually all caps. After title followed by the author name. After that is abstract. Title must give an overview of the important ideas to be researched. At the end of the research report contain about discussion and conclusion. Conclusion also vary. Okay, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.